Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm going to be recording my a farm tour and yeah, that's pretty much it. My farm is heavily modded and I've been working on it for 6 Stardew years and I yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna showcase it. So this is my room and my bathroom. And it has a cute little skincare fridge, and I love that so much. So this is like a cute little cozy, like chimney area, and like a few stairs. Okay, sorry about that. And I have a little balcony. Yes, this is so gorgeous. I love it so much. I'm pretty sure my farm, shines the best during summer because yeah, because I have peach trees on the outside. Oh yeah, this is my living room. I love this aesthetic so much. I don't know what this aesthetic is called. Really, like a foresty, like white gothic. I don't know what this aesthetic is called, but I love this aesthetic. This is my kids' room, my 2 fish tanks, and my kitchen with my dining tables. And this is my basement brewery, whatever it's called. Okay, so this is my front yard, and these are my peach trees. I don't really like having my farm full of buildings. Like every person who has like a fancy farm, they have like buildings everywhere, and I don't like that. I think it's just too cramped. I like it spacious and cozy. And this is my slime farm, my slime castle. Yeah, I need to, decorate it more. And this is my honey garden. It is so pretty and I'm so proud of it. This is like a cute little hideout that I put over here. And I'm still like working on it. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with it. Okay. So yeah, these are all of my, catchers to catch trash, and I use that trash to recycle in here. And this is my windmill, right in the center. And I like it like that. So this is where I make wine and diamonds and stuff and jelly. And this is the Lewis's structure. This is I have 2 horses, and I used a mod to expand this cave, so it's a cute little hot spring, so I don't have to go all the way up to the the other hot spring, because that's just it takes forever. I like to have one on my farm, and I don't really like how the main one looks, to be honest. Like, oh, I want to get out. Okay, I guess I can't get out from here. Okay, this is awkward. Oh my gosh, please just let me out. Okay. Anyways, so this is my greenhouse, and yeah, it's It's full of fruit, full of life, you know. It's very nice. Okay, so I had a mod that expanded it, and then that was like a year or two ago, and then I deleted it. And so this tree's just stuck here in this game until I reinstall the mod and actually get it out myself. But you know, I don't really mind. So I love the way my farm is just laid out like this. It's just so pretty to me. I don't know. And these, like, this is where my pigs eat. And, you know, they just make truffles. This is their barn. I should really, like, decorate the interior of their barn. That would be really cute. But yeah, last but not least, we're gonna go on to the main barn. And yeah, this is where my chickens and my ducks stay. And this is where my bunnies stay. This mushroom is so cute. Yeah, and it connects, and I like that. I like how it's like a cute little secret tunnel there. That is so adorable. I love that so much. So, yeah, that's pretty much my farm. And yeah, I like it, you know, spacious and cozy. And if I'm going to renovate. I can't speak English. Maybe like another time. But this is just how it is now. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.